And we're going to start race number 85.
Race 85.
Open, 500-meter A final. Lane 1, Ocean 1. Lane 2, NDRC. Lane 3, One West. Lane 4, 22 Dragons, Majong and A. This will be a very close race. This is race number 85, Premier Open, 500-meter A final. These teams are absolutely blistering down the course right now.
Yeah, watch this. 19 NDRC.
Approaching the 250-meter mark, as predicted, all four boats look to be in the exact same spot right across the course. This is a very, very close race.
It's so hard to see this angle. It's possible to put it just right here. I don't know. Still call. What? Go boys. Come on. And I can't like right there, right there.
This is looking close. I can't call it from my perspective, but it's looking very close.
Push, push, push. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on.
Push it.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Looks like